So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can start to use right after watching this video. And this strategy is extremely powerful if you use it in the right way. So as you can see here in the screen, you need to select your candle time frame S5. That means your all of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. And if it is flag at here, just click on it and make it clock and select as 15 as your trading time frame. So that means your candles are of 5 second and your trading time frame is of 15 second. Now what we are going to do is we are simply going to use the support and resistance in order to make the trade. You can do it in any time frame. Just simply if your candles are of 1 minute, then make trades in 3 minute time frame. Okay, it is as simple as this. Now before trading in your real account, you need to firstly test this strategy in your demo account so that you can know that it is working in the real time, because no any strategy or indicator works for the 100% of the time. Okay, so you need to be able to find the time exactly when the strategy is working and then only trade it in your real account with that exact strategy. So your chance of getting the trades right will be much higher. So now once you have done this much, then simply observe the resistance level and support level within this time frame and try to find a entry. So here you can see market is anywhere in the middle, so you don't need to make any trade in this kind of currency pair. So as you can see here, there is a resistance. Okay, if market could have fall into this level, then or this level, if market was at this level, then you could have made trade in higher direction. Okay, and your chance of losing that trade could also be same, but with a particular strategy. Whenever you make trade in the real time after testing it in your demo account, then your chance of getting those trades right will be much higher. So as you can see here, I can see there was a resistance, so I made a trade. Now however, this trade could go wrong. Okay, but I am willing to take that risk at this point. And if there is multiple resistance, like here also there was a resistance, then that could be even more better. Okay, but we can adjust in such scenario also. Okay, so now let me make more trade. As you can see here, there was resistance, okay, due to which market have started to fall. Now I can see if market again tries to go back, then I can make trade anywhere at here. Okay, so here you can see market is trying to go steadily up. Okay, so let's wait. So I can see the level at there. Now I'll make a trade at here. So now let's see what happens in this trade. It was risky, but we neither lose that trade nor win. Okay, so let's switch to another currency pair here to see. So I don't see any level at here, but here you can see there is a level of support, so to which we made a trade. Okay, so it has started to calm down. If it was at here at the time we made the trade, then that could have been better, but market is still falling down sharply, so we'll need to suffer this also in loss. So now let's go to another currency pair. So it is in the resistance level. Okay, and if market goes a little bit higher at this point, then we could make trade in the lower direction. Now when you test this kind of strategy, and you can see, if you start to see that market is continuously breaking the support and resistance, then at that time what you can do is you can use the breakout strategy if you find that in your demo account. So it is as simple as that to do things. As you can see here, market has a resistance level at here, but let's see, we can definitely make a trade if it goes a little bit higher. No, this will make the trade, because as you can see here, market have started to consolidate, due to which it may have a chance to fall down. That's why I made the trade at here, and it seems like we are going to make profit in this line. Here you can see the resistance level. If you draw a trend line at here, then you can simply see it. Okay, so here you can see it is at the best support level. Oh my God, we made trade in the upward direction here. We could have made trade anywhere at here. Okay, now the chance of making loss in this trade is definite, I think. Here you can see. What I'll do is, if we, oh, it just breaked out. You see, who made the loss? So let's find more. Here you can see there is a level of support at here. I'll make two trade here. And it breaked out. So we'll see in another. So this is also a level. So as you can see, we are continuously seeing that breakout is happening. Okay, due to which what we'll do is we'll make trade in the breakout direction, and it started to move up instead. Oh my God, we made profit. What kind of funny thing is this? So we'll now what we'll do is we saw that market is trying to break out and keep on breakout. So what we'll do is we'll make the trade in the breakout direction now. So if you had made this trade in your demo account, then what you could have done is you could get the knowledge with the experience by trading in the real time. At that time, market is continuously breaking out, so you can flip your strategy and start to make profit in this way. Okay, this I have not thought about this thing while starting to make this video, but what I saw and what I'm able to show you in this video is very powerful. Okay, you need to understand this very clearly. Before trading in your real account, you always need to start to trade in your demo account so that you can find what exact strategy is working in the real time. So as you can see here also I can see that the breakout is going to happen maybe because this is a support level and it has become a resistance at here. Okay, so let's see what happens in this trade. However, market have started to fall down, and still we neither made profit nor made loss. So it is a time to make trade with the breakout strategy instead of the support and resistance level. Okay, so I hope this video has become extremely helpful for you. Now I could have keep on trading, but this video could be extremely long. Now I want you to test in your demo account and comment some good words so that it can reach to more people, and do like this video. And if you want to copy our trade automatically by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then do join our free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video and in the first comment below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.